everybody, and welcome back to another Abigail Paige Designs YouTube video. Today we have something a little bit different. So I thought it might be kind of fun if I started a gardening vlog. So welcome to the first gardening vlog. To kick it off today, we got some super fun replanting of some little cabbage sprouts. So they're going to be transferred from their smaller pots into the actual raised garden bed. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, just a little side note in case some of you are confused. No, they're not going to be planted outside because it is currently winter here. We have about 6 inches of snow, so they're going to be planted in the raised beds that are inside our greenhouse, not outside. So they're going to go right here in this open spot. Here's the cabbage plants. As you can see, they are finally to the point now where I can put them in the raised beds. I kind of made the decision to do this today because they stopped growing. They just kind of are at a standstill within their little pots. And I figured that maybe by moving them, it would help stimulate some more growth. So let's hope that's the case. Some are pretty tall and then others are a little bit smaller, but I still think they're gonna do just fine in the raised beds, especially since they're in the greenhouse. That was it for planting my cabbage plants into the raised garden beds. I will keep you updated throughout the week on if there's any other interesting garden events that go on. But until then, I will see you in a bit. Hello everybody. So I thought I would include in my cabbage plant vlog a little tropical plant update. I do apologize if I sound weird. I woke up with laryngitis.
No, Abby, not laryngitis, just a really bad cough and a very sore throat.
Hi, Ruger. It's my dog. I was like, you know what? I haven't done a tropical plant update in a while, so I'm going to do one right now. So the collection has grown a little bit. My mom, this is actually her lemon tree, and she wanted to have it under the grow light too because the greenhouse is still a little bit chilly, even in the winter, even though it's heated for tropical plants. So we moved it in here. My dragon fruits are getting ginormous, like that guy over there. He is going crazy. I'm probably gonna have to repot it soon. I have no idea what I'm doing, but they're doing really well. Then my coffee tree is also doing quite well. The leaves, it's got a lot of new growth. As you can see, the newer leaves are the shiny ones. I still continue to mist it daily, and that seems to really help. I also found out the hard way that it really does not like water. Overwatering this thing is about the worst thing you could do. So I do not water it very often. I mostly stick to misting, and I actually have it in a self-watering pot just to help me to not overwater in case I do happen to give it a little overdosage. So we're taking all the precautions and no more overwatering because I almost killed it once now already and I don't want to do that again. Last but not least, my banana tree is going wild as well. Oh my gosh, it's so happy in here and I am so happy for it. It's got another new leaf, and then this one is obviously another new leaf. It's still got all of its original leaves that look a little ragged, but all of these leaves are still doing all right, so I just leave them on there. And yes, the banana tree gets misted daily, and yes, I know I'm gonna have to repot it in the spring, but I don't want to repot it now because they really don't do well when they are repotted out of season. So I'm gonna wait till spring and hope that when I repot it, it'll give it a new growth spurt. And hopefully one day we get some blue Java bananas out of this thing. I have no idea how long it'll take because I don't actually know how old the tree is or at what age they start to fruit. I've done a little bit of research, but I have no idea how to tell how old this thing is. I just know that I bought a 4-foot tree and I would say it's probably getting closer to about 5 feet now. So we shall see. And if anybody knows at what age banana trees decide to give fruit, then let me know in the comments below. So yeah, there you go. Everybody's doing great and I hope they continue to do so, and let's just pray that they keep on growing and I don't accidentally do anything I'm not supposed to, because I always feel like the worried mother who is like, oh my gosh, am I doing this wrong? Am I doing this wrong? I am the Google all the way. Oh my gosh, what's this? What's this bug in there? But I think I've come a long way. I've kept now both the coffee, the banana tree, oh, and then I have my pineapple plant too, which is also doing very well. I think it more than makes up for the mango tree that I killed earlier this season. I guess it wasn't really my fault. It came with some worm bug things and it just was not healthy from the start, and I knew it wasn't gonna make it, so I got the banana tree instead, and that seems to be more compatible with me. So yeah, but if anything new or interesting happens, I will keep you updated.